welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you another favorite recipe of mine called chicken pepper soup or chicken soup. You can call it chicken soup, some people call it chicken pepper soup, whichever way or whatever you call it. Still chicken soup. And with my dressing, you know that it is cold, and for this kind of weather you need this kind of recipe, okay, to keep you warm, because it's really cold. So let me tell you a little story. When I came to the States, I went to Walmart. I got chicken because I loved chicken back home. So I bought chicken, came back home and made pepper soup. I mean, I cooked it for less than 30 minutes and the chicken was almost melting in the pot. Too soft, too soft. So I got so discouraged. Since then I never bought chicken again, because I realized that and then somebody sent me a video of how this, you see, you go to this grocery store, you see beef, chicken, frozen beef, fried chicken, how they were injecting the chicken so that they become so fat, so big. And another problem is that these chicken are being reared for, like, some of them 2 weeks, 3 weeks before bringing them out, you know, on the shelf for people to buy. I mean, I don't think that's really healthy. So that got me discouraged, and since then I stopped eating chicken. And so I remember back home we have what we call native fowl or local fowl. I think that's what they call hard hen here. Those kind of chicken, I think those ones are the best, because they rear it for a longer period of time than the other ones that are too soft. And back home where I come from, the local fowl, we leave it outside. You know, they eat the grains, they eat things outside. They just walk around, feed themselves. We don't put them in a cage like to rear them. And even if you rear them for a longer period of time and let them get matured before you can bring it out to say, oh, I want to sell it or I want to cook it to eat. But in the case that you rear it for just 2 weeks or 3 weeks and then you bring it out to eat, I don't think that's really healthy. So long story short, I went to my friend's place, God's Time God's Love. She's on YouTube. You can check out our channel, God's Time God's Love. I'm gonna leave it on the screen so you can go check out our channel. So I went to her house and she reared chicken, and she had reared them for a longer period of time. And boy, when you see this chicken so fat, she gave me a lot of eggs, because the chickens made a lot of eggs, and she gave me a lot of eggs each time I go to our house, because the chickens made so much eggs. And they didn't touch the chicken, they didn't kill it. I mean, they left it there for a long period of time, usually a year or more than that, rearing the chicken. And so the chicken got matured, and you know, when you eat those kind of chicken, they taste different from the ones that are being reared for 2 to 3 weeks. So she gave me some of that, and I was so grateful, because I love chicken pepper soup. I love chicken soup. So that's what I'm gonna use for this recipe. And I'm gonna show you how to prepare chicken soup my own way, which I believe is the best. I mean, people have different kinds of ways of preparing chicken soup, but this is authentic. This is good. This is the best. And I want you to stick around to the end of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click on the bell so that anytime I upload a video, you will be notified, okay? So let's get to the main thing, and I'll show you how to cook your chicken soup. Here I have my washed chicken. I washed them properly and put them in this bowl. You can spot my chicken wing. I love chicken wing. So here is my 4 habanero peppers, because I like my soup spicy. I have 3 knorr cubes that I'm going to use. Now, if you don't like your food spicy, you can use 1 habanero pepper. But I love it spicy, so I'm going to use these 4 peppers. I have some half-ripe plantain here that I'm going to use, but if you don't like ripe plantain, you can skip it. Some sea salt and some pepper soup spice.